Are you looking to easily change the amount of resources available to your Kubernetes clusters? With Nutanix Karbon, you can easily increase or decrease the number of worker nodes in your Kubernetes clusters, all within Nutanix Prism. In a previous video, we walked through the deployment of a production-grade Kubernetes cluster using Nutanix Karbon. And in this video, we're going to be expanding the cluster to add an additional worker node. So here is our Kubernetes cluster, our Karbon dashboard. We're going to go down to the nodes section and the worker section. So all we need to do to add a worker is click on this button. We're going to leave the default node pool selected. This node pool concept will get expanded in future versions of Karbon. And we're going to choose the number of nodes. So we're actually going to do 2 nodes here. And I'm going to hit create. And we'll see that we're adding these workers. This is just going to take a couple of minutes. Shouldn't take too long. And so I'm going to fast forward the video, and then we'll check back in on the cluster. All right, and there we see it. Node 3 and node 4 were just added. I'm going to go over to my terminal, where I'll up arrow and run my get nodes command again. And we now see worker 3 and 4, which were just recently added. So now let's say some time goes on and for whatever reason we do not need all the workers. We want to free up some resources. I'm going to come over to the UI and delete worker 4. You can delete any worker of your choice. But just from a numbering convention, I'm going to go with 4. And we'll go ahead and give it a minute. And then we'll up arrow again and hit enter. And we now see that worker 4 has dropped out of our list, freeing up resources. So that's how easy it is to add and remove worker nodes in your Karbon Kubernetes clusters. As usual, thank you for watching. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Nutanix Karbon videos.